dapat sana alam natin because he presented himself before this committee, but whatever he does outside this committee, wala tayong kinalaman. Hindi na po natin nalalaman kung ano mangyayari.
For the record, you signed the same affidavit that you read, no?
Yes po,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chair.
Maraming salamat, Yusek. Secretary Remulla is recognized.
Your Honor, after hearing his affidavit and his willingness to disclose all other details about the transactions that happened under his watch, may I respectfully ask the committee to allow the DOJ to have an evaluation of Mr. Bernardo immediately. This matter has to be done because of the gravity of the situation and the fact that we may have to really work overtime on legal matters that are needed or necessary legal matters so that we can preserve the monies and other things that are involved in this discussion.
The same naman lang rin, Mr. Chair, na pag alis ni Secretary Remulla, alis din si Bernardo, baka pwedeng magtanong na kay Bernardo.
Hindi. Ang kasundan natin, pagbalik na lang, kasi hahaba eh. And they have work to do, so we are accommodating them in the same manner that we accommodated Alcantara, Engineer Alcantara, to be brought immediately to the DOJ for evaluation, for some procedure. Then after that, we can have all the time in the world. Maski hanggang madaling araw, kung gusto mong tanongin si Yusek Bernardo,
Sir, pero
you can.
ito, for the benefit of general questions.
We're just postponing. We're not rejecting your request to propound questions.
Kasi sa akin kasi, sir, pag sabi niya ngayon dito, diretso kaagad file ng kaso sa DOJ without us giving the benefit na makapagtanong man lang kung...
Sige.
I think the thing is that the Department of Justice, as much as possible, would like to evaluate first. They will not file any cases against anyone.
But subsequently, filing of cases will follow. Kung sana naman bago siya makonsider doon, dito muna sa atin. Dahil sa atin niya nilahad yung statement niya, so hindi naman niya nilahad sa DOJ, sa atin muna. So sana makapagtanong tayo bago natin turn over sa DOJ for their consideration.
Mr. Chair, I think the point...
Hearing is suspended.
From our resource persons, kung meron na ba?
Sir, under the Witness Protection Program, dalawang klaseng testigo po. One is a protected witness, people who testify in proceedings. If they request assistance from the DOJ in applying for the program, we give them a protected witness status, which means bibigyan na ho namin sila ng security at yung mga ibang benefits pwede na makuha. Ang pagkakaiba lang, pag sinabi hong state witness, ibang procedure din po yun. Kaya yung po yung ina-evaluate ngayon, sa dami po ng transaksyon na nandito, inaayos po namin, tinitingnan ho namin kung paano ho, ano talagang krimen, saan kami magko-concentrate. At kung kaninong testimony po pinakamahalaga, under the Witness Protection Act, yun po, kailangan po makita namin kanino talaga ang necessary para makakuha kami ng conviction later on. Yun po lang ho ang ano dito.
Sir, so far, the level of protection that is being provided to the Diskaya, to Bryce Hernandez, sa ngayon ay sa amin pa lang yan sa Senado?
Yes, sir. Sir, I just wrote a letter to the Senate President. I don't know if it was sent here yesterday. Ito po yung informing the senators that we have provisionally accepted them to the program. Tapos i-evaluate namin sila as state witnesses, pero bibigyan na ho sila ng security mula po sa sulat na to ay matanggap na Senado. Since they're still under itong tatlong taong ito, si Bryce Hernandez, JP Mendoza, and Henry Alcantara, ay nasa custody po ng Senate at naka-contempt. Hindi po namin sila binibigyan para security. Pero ini-inform po namin kayo na bibigyan na namin ng security. And then we have to process also Mr. Diskaya again tomorrow. Mahabang proseso ito kasi ang dami hong transaksyon, tsaka dapat alam po natin ang direksyon kung saan po papunta ang mga demanda.
Thank you, Secretary Remulla. Mr. Chair, okay na ako. Thank you.
Chair, Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
I just want to make of record that when I approached the Secretary of Justice together with Engineer Bernardo, both of them committed that Engineer Bernardo will go to the DOJ accompanied by the DOJ Secretary for the purpose of filing the appropriate charges only. And Engineer Bernardo will not in any way add or alter the affidavit that he presented before us. Meaning to say, no additions, no subtractions, walang alterations. Whatever copy that he distributed to this committee will be just that.
That is correct.
Thank
At
you,
saka,
Mr. Chair.
recorded naman po, nasa transcript, nasa YouTube, nasaan pa.
Yes, sir.
Kaya
Kasi po,
kung mag-alter siya, he will be liable for perjury.
Hindi po, no supplement, no nothing. Kasi
No,
po yung
hindi-
iba, pagdating dito, nagsusupplement. Ang sabi niya, wala na po akong idadagdag. Yun lang po.
Meron siya sa statement niya na I humbly reserve the right to submit a supplementary affidavit
Yun nga
if
po eh.
warranted.
Kaya po
in the
sinabi ko sa
premises.
kanya, meron ka rito, magdadagdag. Kasi dapat sana alam natin because he presented himself before this committee, but whatever he does outside this committee, wala tayong kinalaman. Hindi na po natin nalalaman kung ano mangyayari. I mean, for purposes of transparency, Mr. President,
You're saying
Mr. Chair,
that, just
kaya
in case-
po pumapayag na kami na nadadil. Paano yung supplemental? Hindi na po natin malalaman. There will be no guidelines.
Dito rin po yung
dito rin
supplemental.
gagawin yung supplemental.
Hindi nga po natin
Ay,
malalaman eh. We will not be guided. Ano ba sasabihin niya? Why not before us?
Hearing is suspended.